Monday, you'll start noticing a difference going into the mid to upper 80s. Tuesday, upper 80s. Now, all these temperatures here, this could trend upwards into the 90s because it all depends on if we get some monsoonal moisture that comes on through, some cloud coverage, and therefore our temperatures can maybe remain like this. If not, there's a chance that we could get these temperatures even higher. So Valley's Inland Empire, this is what it's looking like right now. Temperatures come to the upper 90s on Monday on average. Tuesday we'll see triple digits, and it could go to like 105, 106 or so in some spots like Woodland Hills, San Bernardino. The beaches, we see surf out of the southwest, 1 to 3 feet through the weekend. Low 70s turns into mid 70s, upper 70s on Wednesday, coming back down into Friday. And then when we look at our mountain areas, low 80s for much of this right here. Here's that monsoonal moisture I talked about. 5% chance or so of thunderstorms Tuesday, Wednesday. Temperatures come back down to the mid 70s Thursday, Friday. Finally, our deserts, upper deserts, go to 103 or so on Tuesday. Monsoonal moisture could affect the lower deserts there, 5% chance, and then mid-90s Thursday into Friday. So there's about 3 days, Mark and Irene, early next week, where LA, SoCal, the whole region could be under that heat wave.
Oh, good to know. Thanks for the heads up, Tony. Thank you. Now let's take a look at some of our headlines this morning.
Yeah, now at 5, a historic building more than 100 years old goes up in flames. What we are learning about the overnight fire in Pomona.
And the Vincent Thomas Bridge in San Pedro reopens after a semi carrying lithium-ion batteries catches fire.
Plus, questions are being raised about a homeless housing project in the San Fernando Valley.
Now, Southern California's news leader, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Time now is 5 a.m. here on your Saturday. Good morning. Thanks for waking up with us. I'm Mark Cota-Robles.
And I'm Irene Cruz. Fire investigators are searching for the cause of a fire at the Historical Society of Pomona Valley. Flames erupted around 1 this morning. It took firefighters more than 2 hours to knock down this fire. The building was built in 1910. It is historic and houses the Pomona Ebell Museum of History. It appears the building was vacant and under renovation at the time of the fire. No reports of any injuries.
The 47 freeway into San Pedro is back open this morning after crews were able to move an overturned semi-truck and its hazardous cargo.
The big rig was carrying lithium-ion batteries Thursday when it crashed near the Vincent Thomas Bridge. The cargo then caught fire, shutting down traffic at the Port of LA. Fire crews decided to let the fire burn itself out. Last night, hazmat crews were able to move the smoldering wreck to an open lot on Terminal Island so the freeway could reopen.
We believe that that is the best place to put it. It's a secured site where no workers will be around the toxic smoke that it still continues to smolder with. The accident site was inspected by the fire department, by Caltrans, and it was deemed safe. So all road closures have been lifted.
Today, the cleanup work will be taken over by the U.S. Coast Guard, which will be in charge of disposing the hazardous materials.
In response to that fire, City Councilman Tim McCosker proposed a plan for better trailer inspections to prevent future incidents. His plan aims to ensure cargo is secured before leaving the port. The motion will be reviewed by a committee.
A growing encampment is raising concerns in North Hills. It's right outside a motel being turned into transitional housing. Neighbors now questioning how millions of dollars to house the homeless are being spent. Eyewitness News reporter Tim Pulliam has a closer look at what's going on.
Drug use, trash, tents, and people living in squalor overwhelm this block of Roscoe Boulevard in North Hills.
It's a big mess. It's awful.
Neighbor Fran Potaski says homeless encampments have invaded these 2 vacant lots on the corner near her home.
This is unacceptable. This is not safe for the residents. It's not safe for anybody.
Mario Manji owns a towing company nearby.
I work 24/7, and sometimes I come and park my truck in the middle of the night, and you don't know what's going to happen. You know?
Behind the vacant lots sits an empty Motel 6. Last year, the city of LA announcing it received more than $32 million to transform the site into temporary housing for the homeless. Fran reached out to us to find out what happened to the plan, with the problem seeming to get worse.
I saw a guy smoking the pipe the other day, a glass pipe, lighting up right on the sidewalk. I went, oh my God, I had enough of this. It's like, this is ridiculous.
I understand neighbors' concerns.
We learned Ken Kraft, founder of Hope the Mission, is leading the project and just received the city and state funding in July and will soon officially own the property. Right now, it is guarded by 24/7 security.